Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the correct canvas. Pick poster or enter custom dimensions so layout scales properly. Once done, upload your high-res assets, logos, photos, and brand fonts because they determine print quality and spacing. Next, choose a template that already matches your visual hierarchy. This reduces guesswork. As you import elements, lock guides and enable Snap to Grid so alignment stays consistent. Make sure to set bleed and safe zones now. This prevents important text from being cut off during printing. You now refine structure and visuals, rearrange blocks, tweak grid spacing, and use consistent margins so the poster reads at a glance. Then replace placeholder copy with concise headlines and a clear call to action. Set font sizes for hierarchy so viewers scan top to bottom. For images, crop to focal points and apply subtle exposure or saturation tweaks to match mood. While you work, group related elements and name layers. This saves time if you revisit or need to hand off files to a teammate. You finish by proofreading and verifying alignment within safe zones, then set the file for print with 300 DPI images and bleed enabled. Once satisfied, export a PDF print with crop marks. For digital distribution, export PNG or high-quality JPG. Make sure to also save an editable Canva copy in case you need last-minute edits. If something goes wrong, recheck layer visibility and asset resolution first. Low-res images or hidden layers cause most export issues, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.